short vlog. So guess what ahataron? So we're at NCCC Maa to buy ulam for tonight and snacks for merienda. Pero dapat guys, magpa-adjust ko ron sa akong braces. Pero unfortunately, fully booked sila today. Oh my God. And that's my dad picking the ulam. So, rescheduled na lang bukas ang braces appointment. O, di ba si Tanga? Nag-mic-mic pa siya, hindi naman pala marinig yung audio. Oh my God. Pero it's on, ha? Hindi siya marinig kasi low-key, nasashy ako mag-video, daming tao. So, ayan, nag-wait na lang ako. Ito ba naman to, that's my Tom Beats ang atake. Char! O, diba? Princess na medyo, joke, char! So, ayan guys, nagayap ako dyan. Tapos, ayun dad ko, naghahanap kami ng snacks for me and my sister. So, ayan, gandang babae naman si T, eh. So, ayan, nakakahiya din. Naglagay ako ng mic dyan. Oh my God. Yan, so we're just walking and looking for the stuff that we needed. I mean, the snacks that we will be buying. Ewan ko, te, saan siya mag-go, pero we're heading na. Kasunod lamang ko, SM Asinorin, charot. Tapos, of course, di pwede mawala ang ice cream and other snacks. Ayan, guys. Pay na. And then, we're heading out. Unfortunately, wala silang cellophane today. That's why, nag-hand carry kami. So, ayan, tamang push. And ayan, fast forward, nasa labas na kami. Tamang ora-ora lang. Gandang babae naman yan. Kahit mainit. That's all, guys. See you in my next video.